Yo, what do you think about this animation? Pretty cool, right? You can take an action figure picture of yourself and bring it to life. You're probably thinking that it's very complicated and cost a fortune. Nothing can be further from the truth. And I'm going to show you how to do it without spending a single dollar using Kling AI, the best image to video generator out there. You can find the prompt in the description, so check it out. You can use a free Kling AI account. That's what I'm going to be using for this demo. By the way, my name is Tas, an AI enthusiast, and my goal is to help beginners to use AI in daily life. And if you still don't have your action figure image, I have a great tutorial that shows how to create it using only ChatGPT. Link in the description. Okay, so let's open klingai.com. Again, this is a free account, so you can see exactly what you're going to see when you do this yourself. Now, you do need a picture of your action figure, so don't forget to make it. Today, we are not going to be focusing on a full interface of Kling video generator, but only focus on our goal is to bring your image to life. So from the global tab, we're gonna go to the video, click here, and then there is text to video, but we need image to video. Okay, now we need to upload our image. You can either click here and choose your image, or you can just drag and drop it. We have few different versions of Kling over here. Kling 2.0 is currently the best video generation model out there, but it's quite expensive. So we're going to be using 1.6 because it's cheaper per token. As you can see, you can have around 100 or more tokens here for generation in your free account. In version 1.6, 5 seconds of the video cost you 20 tokens to generate. If you choose 10 seconds, it's gonna cost you 40 tokens. If you don't know what token is, a token is kind of small piece of data required to generate the output. In this case, it's a video. In the case of ChatGPT, it's a text or picture. So I look at it as a price per video. And as you can see in version 2.0, it requires you 100 tokens. And at today's price, it's around $1, which is very expensive for one video. That's why we will use 1.6 version, as we have a more chance to generate the results a few times if we don't like it on a first try. Okay, once the image is uploaded, we can type in the prompt. The figure steps out of its toy packaging and begins walking forward. As he continues to walk, the camera gradually zooms out and syncs in with his movement. I made the prompt very easy and simple, so it will work out for your image. Okay, now that we have the image and the prompt, we can click generate and wait for the results. Usually it takes 2 to 4 minutes, so I'm just going to skip to the results. Okay, so let's check the results. Okay, I'm walking. That's great. Pretty cool, right? Remember, you can always modify the prompt if you don't like it, but you have only few tries before you out of your free generations. So use it wisely. So, if you enjoyed this tutorial, hit the subscribe button, let me know in the comments below if this prompt worked out for you, and watch my other videos. And I will see you in the next one.